I have another massive crypto update. I mean, look at the charts here. Cryptos are just bleeding out. They are crashing, as I have been saying. I mean, look at my previous videos. I'm selling everything. This is going to happen in 24 hours. Final warning, warning. Guys, I've been telling you all what has been going to happen for over a week now, just about a week now, and it's happening. But we are getting near the point where we are potentially about to bounce up. So our crypto is going to continue crashing lower. When are they going to bounce up? Well, I have all of that information for you in this video, as I'm usually quite accurate. And I do believe that we are going to be seeing a bounce here very, very, very soon. So make sure if you hold any cryptocurrency, you watch this video until the very end. Now, welcome to the channel. My name is, ladies and gentlemen, welcome Miles, and thank you for watching. But consider giving this video a thumbs up if you love cryptocurrencies. Subscribe with notifications on if you love cryptocurrencies and do not want to miss these time-sensitive videos where I can help you to make lots of money and save yourself lots of money. So also let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments below. Are you hodling right now? Are you trading? What is your current strategy as the market is volatile? So first and foremost, we have a huge meeting tomorrow, and we have earnings today. We have big earnings, big tech earnings today at 4 o'clock. We also have the Fed is going to be speaking tomorrow, potentially raising interest rates and all types of crazy stuff. So that's why the markets are very volatile. We have the potential recession confirmation happening this week, and that will be defined by 2 negative GDP reports in a row consistently, and that is very likely to happen from last month to be read out this month. So we have a lot of stuff in store for this week, and that's what is happening in the crypto markets, as I have been reiterating this the past several days. Now continue watching, because this video is going to be short and sweet, and let me show you the charts. We need to take a look at the charts. I mean, look at this dump, guys. If you were in the Patreon, I told you all to take profits, especially if you are in tier 3. On Friday, I told everybody that the market is likely going to crash from that point, and you should get out, especially in tier 3. I told people to sell near the top of the crypto market of this pump right here. And if you would have listened to those trade alerts, you would have been able to sell your positions and buy at a 20% discount, getting 20% cryptos for free, even more. And we might even go down further, where you could potentially even get more cryptos for free, and then it goes back up and you just made a whole bunch of money off a simple play. So if you were in the Patreon, that's what happened to you, and I congratulate you if you took those trades. And I highly recommend, if you are not in the Patreon, especially tier 3, you do so immediately so you can save yourself from the volatility with my expertise. So here we have it. Cryptos are breaking down. I mean, look at Ethereum. We take a look at Ethereum a lot because Ethereum is kind of leading the altcoins in most cryptocurrencies right now, and Ethereum super bullish, but we ended up forming this rising wedge pattern, which is bearish. It is a bearish base pattern. Guess what? We had a huge breakdown ever since we came out of this pattern, and we have been killing it with shorting the crypto market ever since this breakdown. So people have been killing it, especially in the Patreon. So we're seeing a breakdown, but are we due for a bounce? I mean, if we take a look at Ethereum, we are coming down back to the support level of about 1300, between 1300 to 1400, somewhere in this range, as we are at 1375 is a major support level for Ethereum, and it's likely that we will hold up here. And if we zoom out, we can still see that we are still bullish. This is just a healthy pullback, a healthy correction, and it's a little bit more volatile than most healthy pullbacks and corrections, and that's happening because of what is going to be taking place tomorrow. Now everyone's panicking, everyone's fearful, people are selling off before that event. So usually, even if tomorrow is the worst news in the entire world, we will probably see a pump or a big move. That's just my opinion, and that's what we have been experiencing lately with Fed reports and people anticipating it selling off before the Fed, and then the night before, the day before, we start to see pumps and then just bullishness, even though the news is bearish. So we have that happening. So cryptos are still fine. They are still bullish. But let me show you this. This is more important. So we have the DXY, which is the dollar. This thing is continuing to pump, and it usually will pump before a Fed meeting. So when cryptos are going down, as anticipation, people are buying. Obviously, they're selling out of risk assets and getting into the dollar. So the DXY is the dollar. It is strengthening, and it strengthens before the Fed meetings. but it will strengthen when people are selling off crypto. It will strengthen when people are selling off stocks. And it's just kind of the inverse pattern of stocks and crypto. So when this is going up, we will see cryptos and stocks going up, but it still has a resistance level to face. We will probably get a rejection and come down here soon, very likely. Now, there is a scenario where the dollar could actually, based on tomorrow's news and what is said tomorrow and throughout this week with earnings and the GDP, we could actually get a massive breakout, which would crash cryptos even further and not be good. So there's a possibility there. There are always bearish possibilities, which we must be completely aware of, because if we are not, we will never be prepared with how to face these scenarios. So we have the dollar going up. Let me show you the stock market. The stock market has taken a pretty significant dip, but it looks very similar. It looks very similar to cryptos, where we're looking bullish, higher highs, higher lows, but we're getting a retracement or a pullback, which is completely normal, completely healthy, especially before such an event as tomorrow. So we're seeing things kind of pull back before the event tomorrow. They're selling off before then, and they've been selling off since yesterday, and actually the last couple of days, even since last Friday, actually. Especially Bitcoin has been a lot more bearish compared to most cryptocurrencies. So we've been seeing a pullback for several days now, anticipating what's going to be happening tomorrow and this week. So likely, since the sellers have already been selling, anticipating what's going to be happening, the people that are in the market and the people that are on the sidelines of the market are getting ready to buy the dip once all these sellers are out of the market, which we are getting very, very close to, in my opinion. So that's why we will see the negative news actually is the time when things will pump up. And the positive news, the day of a positive news or a specific event by the rumor sell the news, is when cryptos will actually go down or stocks will go down. So anticipation is selling off. Anticipation is going to stop because the event is going to take place. And that's probably when we're going to get a bounce. And it's going to be happening here very, very soon this week, in my opinion. So get ready for that. Strap on your seatbelts, because we are in for a bumpy ride, of course. There's a lot of volatility, but there are incredible buying and trading opportunities right now. Even though things seem a bit bearish and scary, just like Warren Buffett said, you want to buy when there's blood on the streets. The most profitable times is when cryptos are crashing, like, oh my gosh, it's gonna go to zero. That's when you sell. Typically, and that's when prices usually go up. The most scary times, when they look the most bearish, that for sure is going to keep going down, that's when usually cryptos and stocks and pretty much anything recovers. So be prepared for that. Now, if you want to get access to these most profitable crypto trade alerts, join the Patreon tier 3. The link is in my video description. If you want a great trading platform out there, because a lot of your platforms are dealing with crazy security issues, people getting hacked, shutting down, the fees are so high when you try to execute a trade, use my link over on Bybit, which is in my video description, where you can get up to $4,000 deposit bonus by using my link below. If you deposit $100, if you deposit $500, $1,000, you get massive bonuses, free money deposited directly into your account by using my link alone. No other influencer has these specific bonuses. So guys, make sure you use that up while they are there. They are very limited spots. So grab that free money. And also, if you want to learn how to day trade cryptocurrency, make 1% to 2% every single day trading cryptocurrency, I have a course, a mentoring program that can help you do that. If you are interested in that, use the link in my video description and go ahead and apply with that link. And I will see you guys later tonight. So make sure you get ready for that video. That's going to be coming out around 7 p.m. Have a good day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend or family member, and blow up the comment section. I'm curious to see your thoughts on this video. See you later.